स्टूडेंट्स, आज हम रिवाइज करेंगे यूनिफॉर्म मोशन एंड नॉन यूनिफॉर्म मोशन एंड एवरेज स्पीड. फर्स्ट, एवरी डे वी मूव फ्रॉम place to place, either it's on the road or by train or by air. We are moving. So while moving we are said to be in motion. Okay, we already define rest and motions. Rest means if the position of an object does not change with respect to its surrounding, and motion means if the position of an object change with respect to its surrounding. It is motion. Now we can rephrase it as the body is changing its position with respect to time. Let's understand the motion of this car. It covered 4 meters in 2 seconds from O to A, same as A to B and B to C. It covers 4 meter in all 2 seconds of time. Okay, from O to A it covers 4 meter, then next 2 seconds again 4 meters, so that is 8 meter. Next 2 seconds from B to C 12 meter. Okay, so in all the 2 seconds it covers 4 meters. So the rate of change of position of the car is 4 meter per 2 second. Now 2 divided by 4, so it is 2 meter per second. So this 2 meter per second is said to be the speed of the car. Okay, so the rate of change of position of an object is called speed. Now when a body is covering equal distance in equal interval of time, again, when a body is covering equal distance in equal intervals of time, its speed will be uniform throughout the journey, and this motion is called uniform motion. Okay, when a body is covering equal distance in equal interval of time, its speed will be uniform throughout the journey, and this is called uniform motion. Let's take some examples. The motion of a fan while after switching on becomes uniform. So this is also an example of uniform motion. The revolutions of the earth around the sun is uniform motions, as is the motion of the moon revolving around the earth. So all the planets, not only earth, all the planets revolving around the sun, their motion is uniform. Now let's learn about the non-uniform motions. When a body is covering unequal distance in equal interval of time, then that motion is called non-uniform motions. देखिए in the first diagram from O to A, first 2 seconds it cover 1 meter, then next 2 seconds from A to B it cover 9 meter, and next from B to C it from 10 to 25, that is 15 meters. So here in equal interval of time it cover unequal distance. So this type of motion is called non-uniform motion. In this type of motions, the speed of the body is not constant. There are many examples of non-uniform motions. First, when we travel in a car, we push the accelerators to increase the speed and brake to decrease the speed. So this is an example of non-uniform motion. A train coming to halt is an example of non-uniform motions, as it decreases its speed. Running in a race is also an example of non-uniform motions, as you start with high speed, but eventually you slow down. In non-uniform motions, it's difficult to know the speed at each instant. So we study this kind of motion using average speed. Now average speed. For example, in a car race, a car traveled a distance of 500 km in non-uniform motion in 5 hours. Okay, suppose एक कार है जो 5 hours में टोटल डिस्टेंस कितना ट्रेवल कर रही है 500 किलोमीटर. So the instantaneous speed is always shown in the speedometer. Okay, in this example, if the car had traveled uniformly, that speed would be total distance upon total time. So 500 divided by 5, that is 100 km per hour. Okay, so average speed of the car is 100 km per hour. This is nothing but its average speed. So average speed equal to total distance traveled upon total time taken. So average speed is the ratio of the total distance traveled by the object and the total time taken to cover this distance. Let's take another situation. Let's consider a car A is traveling with a uniform speed of 50 km per hour for 2 hours. So that the total distance traveled by the car is 50 into 2, 100 km. Now, the total distance traveled is D. Suppose AB plus BC. So AB equals to 50 km per hour into 1 hour. That is 50 km. And BC 60 km per hour into 1 hour. That is 60 km. So D equal to 50 plus 60, 110 km. And total time 1 plus 1, 2 hours. So in 2 hours it covered total distance 110 km. Okay. So average speed, total distance upon total time. So 110 upon 2. So its average speed 55 km per hour. Now we have studied average speed. Okay. So bodies are said to be in uniform motions when they cover an equal distance in equal interval of time. The speed of the body remains constant throughout the journey in uniform motion. Bodies are in non-uniform motions when they don't cover equal distance for equal interval of time. Bodies will have varying or changing speed throughout the journey. Velocity does not remain constant. So average speed, total distance traveled upon total time. Average speed doesn't depend on the varying speeds, and it depends only on the distance covered in a given time. Average speed doesn't depend on the varying speeds. Okay, speed. So average speed, total distance upon total time, and average velocity equal to total displacement upon total time.